Hello iPhone users, so let's edit your WhatsApp avatar right away with me. Okay, so go to the settings of your WhatsApp, tap on the avatar option below your name, and here below your avatar there's option of edit avatar, and now you can edit your avatar right away. So we're going to do it together, and you can see the changed avatar in your animations option, right? So and from one more area you can go to the edit option is go to the chat of your WhatsApp, right? Tap on the avatar option, and here is on the right side in circle option to edit. Tap there and you will reach the same area which I and you were there, right? So this is the edit option. Here while creating also we got these option, and now as well you can change your style, hair, makeup, face or body as well. So it depends on how you want it to be. I'm also doing it right away as per how I feel it is, and just to show you how it is to edit your avatar, right? And once done there is option of on the right top corner save. So you just have to tap on save to save the changes that you have done. If you forget to, and you tap on the left hand side cross option, and you go back to the to your normal, and you go back to your normal WhatsApp, then it is not going to be edited, right? So make sure to save it after you make changes. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Tada.